Hey guys, today's question is delete nodes from linked list present in array. So in this question, we are given with an array of integer nums and a head of the linked list. We have to return the head of the modified linked list after removing all the nodes from the linked list that have the value existing in nums. So for example, in this example, the given linked list is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and input nums is 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, these nodes are present in the nums array also. So we have to delete them from the linked list. So our new linked list will be 4, 5 only. So we will delete these three nodes and we will return head from this point. So our returning linked list will look like 4, 5 here. And you can see here in example 2, nums is given as 1 and head is given as 1 2 1 2 1 2. So in this linked list 1 2 1 2 1 2, 1 are repeating multiple times, but 1 is present in the nums array. So we have to delete all the ones in this array and we have to return the linked list after removing all the ones. That will look like 2 2 2. So we will remove this one, this one, this one, and we will return head from here pointing to this and this pointing to this. So what we can simply do is first we have to make a hash map so that we can check in the oven time that if a node is present in the array, if the node value is present in the array or not. Otherwise our complexity will be increased. And second, what we will do, we will first move our head pointer to the first value from the left side from where the linked list should be started. Like in this case nums was 1 2 3, so we have to delete all the 1 2 3 present in this linked list and current head was at 1, so we change the head from here to here and the new head is here. So what we'll do, we'll simply run a we can use a while loop and we will just move our head from left to right to the next to the head to the next of the head if there is a node present in the nums array. Otherwise the head currently head will be the new head to return. After that, as we got a new head, like in this case 1 was present in the array, so we move head to the next pointer and the current head is here, and we check that 2 is present in the nums array or not. So 2 is not present in the nums array, so new head will be here. After that, for deleting nodes in between the linked list, what we will do, we can take two pointers ptr and temp. Ptr will always be one node ahead and temp will be one node before the ptr. So like temp is here and ptr is here, we will check the value of ptr and compare to the nums. So the value of ptr is 1, it is also present in nums, so we have to delete this node. So simply deleting this node, what we can do, as ptr is pointing to the next one, the next of ptr is pointing to this and the next of temp is pointing to this. To delete this node, what we will do, we will change the value of temp of next to the next of ptr. Okay, so temp of next will be changed to ptr of next. So this linked list will be joined like this, and we will also move ptr from here to here, and we will do this operation again and again while ptr is not equals to null, and that will be our answer. So let's code it up to understand more briefly. Let's first make a hash map. Let's use a vector for hash map this time, not an unordered map. You can also use an unordered map. Let's name it as hash. Okay, so we have to declare a 10,001 size array. Wait a second, what is the constraints? 10 to the power 5, so we have to make an array of 1 lakh 1 size, so there can be values from 0 to 1 lakh. After that, let's take some variables. Let's take int I. Let's run a loop to push the elements, the frequency of elements in this array. I less than nums dot size I plus plus. So we'll push the value in the index of the hash array. So hash nums I plus plus. After this, we have the hash array so that we can check every value in the oven time that it is present in the nums array or not. Now the first task is to make head. So while if the current value is present in the nums array, which is hash array currently, if the index of hash array is 1 currently, so we will change the head as to the next of head. So let's write if hash the current value is head value double equals to 1 or not 0, anything you can write, because it is given in the question that frequency is 1 only. Head equals head next, as we discussed. After that, as we got the new head that we have to return, we have to take two more pointers to delete in between nodes while traversing. So let's not extract. Let's take temp as head and ptr as head of next or temp of next, anything. Okay. Now we have to delete the nodes in between, so we will run another loop while ptr not equals to null. Now we will simply check if the current value at ptr is present in the hash array, present in the nums array or not. So we will check if hash ptr value double equals to 1, then we have to delete that node. So we will simply write as we discussed, if temp is here, ptr is here, we have to delete this node. So we will mark temp next equals to ptr next. So temp next will point here and this node will be deleted from the linked list. You can also take another pointer and free this ptr, but we will not do in this case. But it is a good practice, you can do that. Ptr equals ptr next and so ptr equals to ptr next, that is mean every time. So we can write this after if else case also. Let's write it here only. Temp next equals ptr. Okay. That is simply temp next equals to ptr next. After in the else case, temp equals to ptr equals to ptr next. As we don't have to delete any node, we are simply moving them 1 point forward, and we have to return head after whole execution. And now what this point is, ptr equals to ptr next. So let's say ptr was here, temp was here. As I was telling, we have to mark temp of next equals to ptr of next. So we first shifted ptr here and then temp of next equals to ptr. That's all. Let's run the code. We forgot to add a semicolon. Let's take a semicolon here. Now let's run the code again. Let's submit it. So the code is updated. Thank you for watching.